National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, Blair County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, northern Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania, Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, east central Somerset County in south central Pennsylvania, south central Center County in central Pennsylvania, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:36 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe showers producing demagnetic wind gusts. These severe storms extended from Prince Gallitzin State Park to Newry to Garrett, moving east at 55 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Tyrone and Del Grosso's Amusement Park, Tyrone and Williamsburg, Warriors Mark and Spruce Creek, Juniata College and Tracetown Dam, Clearville and Wells Tannery, McAlevy's Fort and Whipple Dam State Park. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 120 and 186. Interstate 70 between mile markers 147 and 157. Interstate 99 between mile markers 0 and 52. This will also impact the following major roads: Route 22, Route 522, Route 30, Route 220, Route 522, State Road 453. Damaging winds up to 69 miles per hour were reported in Chicory Summit with this line of severe thunderstorms. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service and State College through Twitter or Facebook. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. for the following counties: Bedford, Blair, Cambria, Center, Fulton, Huntingdon,